Hi everyone. Today I'll be making stupid pie. The name comes that it's so stupid easy that you can't mess it up. What all goes into the stupid pie? 1 20-ounce can crushed pineapple, do not drain. 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk. 1 8-ounce whipped topping, thawed. 1 9-inch graham cracker crust. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, dump in your 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, juice and all. The 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And stir that until completely combined. Then take your 8 ounces of whipped topping, and it needs to be thawed, and put it into the bowl. And gently fold that in until it's completely mixed. You don't want to deflate the whipped cream, so you go under and over until it's mixed. If you get impatient and stir, it will deflate the whipped cream. If you don't deflate the whipped cream, you'll have a lot for your pie. This is not a deep dish. And then you put it in your crust. And I've got a lot left. I have another pie crust here. I don't know how full it'll get. It is cracked. That's why I got a different one. We're going to pour it in there as well. Okay, it's not as full, but it'll make a decent pie. Then stick these in the refrigerator to set up for at least 2 hours or overnight for best texture. Here is the stupid pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
My sniffer's not working.
Is your taster working?
Mm-hmm. It's pineapple, I'm pretty sure.
It is. That is stupid pie.
Are you mad at it, or is that really the name?
That's really the name. It's called stupid pie because it's stupid easy and you can't mess it up.
I don't know why that struck me so funny, but it did. Well, I don't know how hard it was to make, but I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.